Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical component by SolidWorks. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New, select Part and select OK. Now go to select top plane and sketch. Now go to here, plane white. Now select the circle from origin to circle draw here and give the circle dimension, this circle dimension 200 and this circle dimension 150. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now give the extrude value 200. Okay. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the center rectangular here. Select. Now just moving here. This point control this origin point vertical. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 110 and this line dimension 30. Okay. Now go to this point and this point horizontal. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Direction change. Just select here through all and direction change. Okay. Now go to front plane and select and go to reference geometry and select plane. Now give the plane from 140 from origin mid plane. Okay. Now this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here and select. Give the dimension rectangular. This line dimension 60. Enter and this line dimension 25. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now direction change and select up to next. Okay. Now go to this plane height and this is fillet and this is fillet. Now give the value 30. Okay. Now go to this plane, this face and sketch. Now draw the circle to this point and give the circle value 20 as you wish. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Okay. Now go to this is select fillet, fillet select. Give the value 2 or 3 as you wish. Now select here and here and select here, here. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Now delete the fillet. I am going to this face fillet and this is fillet and select this face this face. Okay. Now go to isometric view and select this circle fillet. Okay. Now go to right plane and select mirror. Now select feature to mirror. Here select boss extrude and fillet, cut, fillet, fillet. Okay. Now go to here, select shaded tools. Okay. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Okay. Now give the dimension 20, 20 or 30 as you wish, 30. This point and this point distance given 30. Now this point and this point vertical. Now go to isometric view and select feature and extrude card. Now select here. Okay. Now go to again isometric view and select here fillet and select here fillet. Okay. Okay. Now here this is problem. What is problem? I am going to check this problem. Now select here and here. Select. Select. This mirror is problem. What is problem? Go to edit feature. Clear all. Just select extrude boss. Extrude boss and fillet and cut. Two fillets select. This fillet delete. This fillet delete. Okay. There are problem. What is problem? Okay, I am going to delete this fillet. Now go to from plane, right plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Select feature and extrude card. Extrude card select. This is case no need dimension, just roughing. Okay, cut. Now go to mirror, select this face and select bodies to mirror. Okay. Okay, now there I have no problem. Just show this. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Okay. I am going to select color. This color select. Okay, go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.